Welcome to Still Ritual. You've reached the end of your day, and it's time to let everything go now. Find a comfortable position and let your body settle into the bed. And feel the surface supporting you completely. You don't have to hold yourself up anymore. And take a deep breath in through your nose and let it go through your mouth. Again, inhale slowly and exhale even slower. With every breath, your body starts to soften and your mind begins to quiet down. There's nothing you need to fix, change, or think about right now. Just be here, breathing, resting, arriving in this moment. Before we go deeper, let's talk about where you're headed. When you begin to fall asleep, your brain naturally moves into what is called the theta state. Theta waves are slow and steady, around 4 to 7 hertz. And they happen in that space between awake and dreaming. It's a very peaceful and creative state. Your body relaxes deeply. And your subconscious mind becomes more open. And this is where natural healing, emotional release, and dream imagery begin. It's the space where your body resets itself and your mind lets go of the day. As we move toward theta tonight, you don't need to try to sleep. You just need to allow. And let your body and mind do what they already know how to do. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a soft wave of warm light moving slowly downward. It relaxes every muscle it touches. And it moves across your forehead. Loosening the muscles around your eyes. Your eyelids grow heavy. Your tongue rests easily in your mouth. The same wave moves down your neck and shoulders. Feel them drop, releasing all the weight you've been carrying. Your arms grow heavy, warm, and relaxed. Your chest softens. Your breath moves freely. The wave continues down through your stomach, your hips, your legs, your feet, your whole body is resting deeply now. Heavy but comfortable. Still but alive. You're safe here. You're supported. You're allowed to rest. Now that your body is completely at ease, let your attention rest on your breathing. Notice how it naturally slows down. Each breath becomes longer and smoother than the last. You might feel your thoughts getting slower too. Like clouds drifting across a quiet sky. Let them pass. There's nothing you need to control. Your body is falling into its own rhythm. The rhythm of the deep theta state. This is where your body begins to repair itself. Where your mind softens. And your inner world becomes calm and open. It's the bridge between consciousness and dreaming. Just rest there. Suspended between waking and sleep. At this point, everything slows down. by peace. If you notice sounds around you, let them blend into the background. Like waves lapping on the shore. With each breath, let go a little more. There's no effort here. Only rest. You're entering the Deep Theta state now. The space where your body restores itself. And your dreams begin to take shape. Here you are completely safe. Completely at peace. You are drifting deeper into the most natural healing rest. Let go. Float. And allow sleep to find you. You don't need to do anything. Just rest in the quiet. And let yourself be carried by the deep, gentle rhythm of the theta waves. You are safe. You are loved, and you are free to sleep.